Hey guys, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about one of our products in our product line that really helps with one of the most common problems of odor. It is a very common problem. Over the space of 2 to 3 weeks or even 4 weeks of a user or somebody wearing hair experiences odors. And this could be for a number of different reasons. It could be for sweat, it could be for oils. It could just be that the adhesive that they're using maybe just becomes a little bit, has a little odor to it. And it is quite noticeable when this begins to happen. So this product we have called Elimin8 will actually fix that problem. So Elimin8 works in a very simple way. You just spray it over the top of the scalp and you let it mist down onto the head, and it will neutralize the odor and it will eliminate it for a period of 24 hours. And as you said, this is a daily use product and it can be used at any point, either when you first put on or attach your hair unit all the way through to the 4 weeks when you get your service and reattach your hair unit. It's a very, very good product and it's very economical to use. So if you have any questions at all about it, feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help.